Hello and welcome to Gypsian Moon. This is a pick a card reading to understand what the spirit is trying to tell you at this time, especially if you have been seeing 1111 or 111 or 11, the number. We will also be looking into what your special someone may be thinking and maybe wanting to say it, but there could be certain kind of lack of communication or something or the other. But we will be, after each card's spiritual message has been spoken of, at the end of it, I will be pulling out some cards to see if there is certain kind of message coming in from them as well. All right? This is number one, number two, number three, and number four. Take your time, perhaps even focus on seeing the number, say 1111 in your mind, and looking at each and every card one at a time and see which one are you getting drawn towards. If you're getting drawn to, say, more than one card, then put in your intention as to what you may be wanting to clarify, any specific aspect of your life as well, all right? This, of course, is a timeless pick a card reading and being recorded very close to the 1111 portal of 2020. So pause the video and see which one are you getting drawn towards the most. You will find the timings timestamped below in the description box as well as the comment section. So let's see what's coming through. I will see you soon. Hello, number one. So let's see what have you chosen. So firstly, we have Ganesh ji coming in, Ganesha coming in. I have to remember the camera is quite up above, but we have Ganesh ji coming in, and this is signifying a time of abundance, new beginnings. So this may be the 1111 could be coming in, especially when you are thinking about your future full potential kind of a thing, or some kind of a passion of yours, or some kind of a entrepreneurial idea that you have, a spark and inspiration that is coming in, and time and again you are in a way thinking about it, envisioning it, even in terms of a daydream. And this could be signifying the fact that that is worth it. Or simply Ganesh ji coming through could also be a time of good fortune, abundance, happiness, satisfaction that is coming in. Manifestation sure will be coming in, but with the energy of one coming through is about taking an initiative, taking an action, and all the support which will be coming in. Don't worry, just keep doing. Believe in yourself is also coming in quite a bit. All right, so next card we have chemistry coming in. There's a strong magnetic connection here coming through, and this is signifying a very strong attraction, someone who is feeling drawn towards you. But in a way, when you put these two together, of course, love will start manifesting it. This may be a time that you are being asked from the spirit to open your life and invite gentle waves of intimacy, abundance, love, and all of that happiness to flow into your life is coming through quite a bit. Yeah, I see someone being asked to pursue their passions coming through very strongly coming in. Financially, this is going to be a very good time for you, or it will start, or you'll start getting ideas, or you are getting ideas. And this may be a time where the spirit is telling you that don't worry, just pursue it. There's a lot of good in there. It is time to start truly living and pursue your dreams. That is also coming in because of the chemistry, feeling very strongly pulled to take a decision, but maybe feeling a little uncertain, feeling that I have created a very secure surrounding for myself. If I take this decision, it may just turn my life 180 degrees. That kind of a thing is coming in. But this is saying, embrace it. You have so much control in your life. You're choosing. each and every day how your life is formulating, and there is something which is popping up again and again, time and again. You have, perhaps because of pursuing your responsibilities, there's this one aspect of yours which is getting a little ignored is also coming in. Or this may be a time that, like, do little things which bring you more happiness is also coming in. We have the crow coming through, number 13 coming in, and this may be signifying that awaken your the shaman within you. There's a lot of spiritual guidance which is coming in as well. So open your life to receive is coming in. The universe is ready to offer you abundance, joy, happiness, love. This may be a time to connect with the spiritual realm, or to recommit to your spiritual growth, your spiritual soul journey. That is also coming in. But being watched over by the spiritual realm is coming in. I see that coming through very strongly. It's very interesting. And a full moon also coming through. Fruition, completion, whatever you have been working upon will bear its fruits. They will be coming in very, very soon, is also something which is coming through. All right, as a clarifier, we have the fortune's wheel coming in. Wow. So this is a transformation which is happening, but a very, very positive one. The delays will be over coming through. I see a lot of golden opportunities which are coming in. Your life is expanding. Not the time to doubt your own full potential. That is what is coming in. Don't limit yourself. That is just an illusion. That is what is coming in. Okay. I'm getting very excited. Career wise, things are looking great. Love wise, looking quite nice over here. Something very passionate. Or reignition of passion is also coming in. Wow. And we have prosperity coming through. Wow. Wealth. A gift of money is on its way. Your income is increasing. Manage your finances with love. So, whatever you are building or have built up till now, take care of it. Balance which is coming in. Don't worry about the finances because they are going to improve. And it's like being pregnant with ideas. That is also coming in. But yeah, some kind of a really good idea in terms of career change could also be coming through. So if you are someone who has been considering that, wherein something which was a hobby is your passion actually, and you want to pursue it, this is coming in. Like, even if you don't want to initiate right now, start thinking about it, build upon it, create a blueprint, pursue it side by side, is also coming in. Financially, it's looking really, really nice. Or selling your craft is also coming through, because the 10 is coming in over here and 13 is over here. So 10 is a completion, but a complete product. And the 3 of pentacle energy is coming in, of productivity coming through, utilizing your skills coming in. So certain kind of specialization which will be very, very, very good for you is also coming in. I don't know, that is the energy coming in. But yeah, good news which will be coming in, and very soon is what is coming through. Someone could be getting a promotion also. Yeah, promotion is coming in, because I but certain kind of sudden windfall. If you have been worrying about financial constraints or about your finances, this is coming in from the spirit. Don't worry about that. Life is teaching you true value, and to be grateful for what you already have. Don't focus on the lack, but what you already have, and spin in that, allow that to be more prominent in your thoughts, being grateful, kind of a thing. And in turn, attracting more scenarios, opportunities, golden opportunities which will be coming in, new windows which will be opening up. The moment you start taking the first step, the next steps will be coming in. That is also coming through quite a bit. Right. Yeah, I see success which will be coming in, but things are rolling. And for some people, the first initiative that you take, it's like taking a strong decision that is coming in, life changing decision, and someone may be feeling a little doubtful whether or not to do it. But for those who have been thinking about a career change, I think this is going to be really, really, really nice. Follow your intuition, of course, is something which is very essential, but this is a time where you have to make space, let go of the karmic weights of others and the karmic baggages that you may be carrying around. You have to release them now, once and for all. Forgive yourself before forgiving anyone else is also coming in. It's just for a few people out there, because sometime or the other we are always healing, and this is the energy which is coming through. It's just getting channeled in very, very strongly, because you are making space for love, miracles, abundance to come into your life, and it's coming through very, very significantly over here. A very positive change which is coming in. So any kind of uncertainties that you had, subdue them a little is coming through. Let's become aware of what we are emitting into the universe through our thoughts, because manifestation energy is coming in very, very strongly. Very, very strongly. All right, let's look into what the other person they may be thinking. With the cards over here, there's a bit of fire energy which is coming through. Thank you. The first card coming in, worth waiting for divine timing, is at work in your life and in your life up, like as a whole also. Believe in divine timing, finances and career coming through. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. Romantic feelings, and free yourself coming in. Free yourself from restraints coming through. What I feel right now is there are certain kind of blockages which are happening. Someone, they may be thinking about the finances right now, and kind of heavily focused on that, even if their intentions with you are very much pure, which I can see here because of the romantic feelings. There are a few things which are coming in, so I'll tap into those as well. But yes, focus on your higher good is coming in. This over here is like, pretty much preoccupied by the career, by the finances, that romance may be taking a back seat. And that's why there has been certain kind of delay. But internally, they are coming to a point where they realize the kind of feelings they have for you run deeper than they realize, is what is coming in. I do really adore you. That is the energy which is here, wherein deeper inside they do have very strong feelings for you, more than what they may admit is coming in. Free yourself, it's time to take back control of your life coming through. This may be if you are in separation, especially for twin flames, just coming in, so I have to say it. What I feel is that I don't know if this has been long. Thank you so much that you have been here so far. I feel that they are now realizing that, or they are freeing themselves from a karmic situation. If you have been in separation, the third party scenario is coming to an end, is what I'm seeing over here, because they are motivated to convey such things, but they kind of want to wait and be more emotionally stable, is what is coming through right now. If there were addictions, codependencies, they're taking the time to evolve, to become ready for a long term relationship. I may be showing you that I am busy, but even when I'm working, I can't stop thinking about you. And I really hope that you wait for me, because I am freeing myself from certain kind of toxicity. or certain kind of blockage that may have been there, internal or external. You make me feel very free, free to be able to communicate, articulate whatever I have to say. I feel very safe and secure with you. I can see a life with you. This may be more for people who are in a relationship or undergoing certain. If you have someone in your mind, not someone who is you've newly met, that is not coming in right now. Let's see what the higher self may be saying to you. All right, so we have divine consciousness coming in, becoming aware of this connection to come towards you. You also make them feel very powerful, like with you believe in them, and that nourishes them. It's not the egoistic part which I'm talking about. It really humbles them. It makes them feel very steady. With the hand coming in, it's almost like a divine soul connection which is over here. And their higher self wants to give this relationship, this connection, another chance because they can clearly see a very fulfilling life ahead with you. They can see you in the long term. The higher self can see you, but they are aware that they're the highest. They okay. This is getting a little confusing. The higher self knows that their 3D self is still stuck and would really hope for you to wait for them. But at the end of it, I'm not saying that you have to completely stop your life and wait for this person. Keep building because clearly you have a lot going in your favor coming through. Believe in yourself, there's success which is coming in. Think about it's almost like envisioning the best possible outcome, positive outcomes coming in, and still remaining open for surprises because the universe is seeing more potential for you to grow. Growth is coming in very, very strongly. Rewards coming in. They see the effort you make in this relationship. Quite a few of them could be opening, realizing, awakening to their feelings towards you is also what is coming through. Realizing what they need to clear up to run towards you is also coming in. One thing which comes in, this could be for you also coming as a message from the higher self. So I had to take a look at, oh wow, I just realized divine consciousness is a number 11. I don't know if you can see it somewhere, but it is number 11. That's amazing. Open your mind to new possibilities. Wow. You are encouraged to meditate, to remove yourself from earthly dramas, gossip, and physical issues. Be gentle with yourself, eat nutritious food, drink enough water, and plenty of rest. By connecting to a state of consciousness higher than your own mind's physical awareness, we eliminate impurities and toxicity within the body. There are a lot of messages which will be coming in meditate. Awakening is coming through very, very strongly. This literally says miracles can occur now if you keep a positive mindset. Wow. Like if you feel uncertain about the connection that you have right now with that someone special, bring that alignment. Take your attention from this situation for now and focus on your dreams, building, working upon, or going deeper, exploring your dreams, your goals. How to go about it is also coming in because you are at a point where the fruits of your labor will be coming in, or at the very same time, to continue doing what you're doing. Get that inner motivation and keep doing things. Initiate. Whatever you start now will bear very, very beautiful rewards for you. That is what is coming through. And be surprised, the kind of outcome which comes through from all of that may be grander than what you planned when you started. That is also what is coming in. Keep a positive mindset about your future is coming through. glass half full, that kind of a thing is coming in. Not the lack or how much further on you have to go forward, but how much you have progressed, that is also coming in. Take a look into that. Celebrate your growth, celebrate who you are, and that is what is coming through. All right. So, do let me know if this resonated with you, and thank you so much for your precious time. Do subscribe and comment below, share it with your loved ones, and please do hit the like. Until next time, love, light, awakening, awareness, empowerment, abundance, and beautiful blessings to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Monians. Hello, number two. So let's see what's coming in for you. So the first card coming through is Samadhi coming through. So this is really nice. This is in a way talking about go deeper, understand yourself, rest and rejuvenation, which is very much important, especially if you have been feeling a little influxed or jumpy. You're giving more reactions than responses. This may be a time to meditate a little, bring in some calmness, emotionally feel a little more balanced. That is coming in. This may be a call for you to connect with your angels, the kind of answers. This is what is coming through right now with this card. The kind of answers that you are seeking, the angels will guide you. You can ask your angels for the answer in terms of certain kind of synchronicities, messages, and then become aware of it. Like hold your question in your mind, meditate on it, and then ask for signs. That is also coming through, especially if you're trying to make a decision coming in. This suddenly just said awaken the psychic within. This may be a time of rebalancing your chakras because there is a little bit of faint indication of that coming in. Look into your emotional world, that is also coming through. Take your time is coming in a lot. Don't make hasty decisions on impulses. Your intuition will be giving you extra information, is also coming through. Ouch, sorry. Next, we have flirt coming in. So it's really interesting because Samadhi is retreating. I am really not saying it properly, but going into trance, going into deep meditation, with the flirt coming in over here in reverse, this may be a time where you yourself are feeling that this short term experimentation in terms of love also needs to come to an end, or trying to flirt with fate, which is coming in. Also, a little flirting with your fate, trying to play around, not really truly believing, 100% believing in what you can manifest in your life, attract in your life. That kind of a thing is also coming through. Wanting something but saying something else, that is coming in. Become aware of what you really want, is coming through. Have a clearer vision, is coming in. It's like you want something to happen, but then at the very end of it, also at the very same time, rather, you're thinking of all the possible outcomes where it doesn't happen, when where this aspect, aspiration, doesn't manifest itself. Certain kind of guarding which is happening, or building up walls. We have the holy mountain coming in, becoming your own true self. And this is so interesting. We have the moon and the sun energy coming in, and both have two people. This is like very minutely there. um I was thinking of going like really close, but it'll go out of focus. There's this like at the pinnacle of the mountain, there's this person in a trance, understanding your full potential, envisioning it, divine feminine, divine masculine energy which is coming through. Hold your space is coming in. Love where you are. Things are exactly the way they are supposed to be, is coming through. And the way I'm just clearing my throat, clearly communicate what you really want. That is coming in. There's a little bit of difference in what you really want and what you're conveying. That is coming through. Like there's something which you really, really want, are passionately thinking about, but at the very same time, the uncertainty of it, wanting things to unravel more faster, getting a little impatient is also kind of coming through, but hold your space is coming in. Let your thoughts be known, articulate. Let's just see what else. We have eight of fire also coming in over here. So kind of not really believing whether or not your dreams will come true, or this may be a time to remain open for surprises, but there's certain kind of momentum which is building up. It's almost like I know where I am right now, and I embrace it, but I'm also excited as to what's coming in. Traveling energy is coming through, momentum picking up is also coming in. Someone may be taking a little too much of responsibility, so you need to take out time for yourself, is also kind of getting over here. Before giving your energy out to other people, make sure that you are also having some stored in for you also, so that when you come back you can recharge, is coming in. Too much socializing which may be going on, that kind of a thing is also coming through. And maybe a time for you to start thinking, probably, that for some people out there, why is it that I keep escaping the long term prospects? Is there something that I need to heal deep down? Some kind of a past trauma, even childhood one, which may be stopping me from really going forward, that is also coming through. Balancing the yin and yang, the divine feminine, divine masculine energies within you is also coming in. Letting go of the escapism for some people coming through. And we have magic also coming in. Make a wish, believe in miracles, magic surrounds you coming through. Very, very interesting. Change in the mentality which is coming through. Opening up to what is unraveling right now. You deserve it. You deserve very good things for yourself. Love yourself first is also coming in very strongly over here. Make sure what you're feeling, you are expressing as well. Clarity of what you really want is coming in. The time for playing around is kind of completing now. There's this self realization, self empowerment which is coming in. Understanding that you yourself are filled with love, you are magical, you are a brilliant soul. Dive deeper to tap into more is also what is coming through. One thing which came in with the eight also over here and the float coming in, this may be a time for you to realize, is there a pattern which has been happening and what are you being taught? What do you need to release is coming in a little. But you're believing in your true capability which is coming through. Even if you are facing certain kind of competition, know that you have to start believing in your capabilities, and only then can you discover or grow from there is what is coming through. Spend some time with your loved ones. Self love will also be very, very beneficial. Tap into your emotional world, and also it's almost like doing some shadow work, embracing the two extremes of your personality and blending them together. That is also coming in. Certain kind of burden which needs to be released, or certain kind of fear that needs to be released to really awaken this part of life, or the miracles to come in. I don't know why is that coming through. Extend your light-hearted energy to others. I feel there's certain kind of clogged up energy which is stopping you from really truly living, which is coming in. Certain kind of cycles which may be going on, and you feel somewhere down the line that it is kind of that phase is coming to an end. There are surprises in store for you, but there's certain kind of energetic clearing which is very important right now. That is what is coming in. especially if you have been feeling stuck. And with make a wish coming in, be aware what you are, be careful what you are wishing for, because you may just get it all for you. So become aware of that. Be very, very careful of what you're saying. You'll start seeing the manifestation, like your dreams manifesting into waking reality. That kind of a thing is coming in. There's almost this energy of valuing yourself highly, which is coming in, and seeing the reciprocation from others treating you in that frequency. That is coming in. That is a change which I'm seeing over here. Personal revolution kind of a thing which is coming in. If you have been doing that, if you have been working upon that, self empowerment, valuing yourself, valuing what you have to offer in love as well, in romance, it is changing the way you love yourself. And when you do that, when you change the way you love yourself, you change who you attract into your life. And that is also what is coming in over here. The changes, small changes that you're making, they are being supported because you are coming in stronger. You are being called to, if you haven't already, to embrace your authentic self coming in very, very strongly. All right, I want to see quickly. I think this has gone a little longer. I want to see quickly what is coming in from their side, what they may be thinking. And then we'll look into what the higher self or your higher self may be wanting to say to you. All right. So the cards are right. We have stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Wow, this is wow, okay. This is really interesting. They are asking you to remain positive and not think negatively. They are kind of realizing that this connection is something very, very strong. This could be a person in your past or in this lifetime or past lifetimes as well, but they do kind of are starting to realize what this connection really is. Many a times it could be like, when they're thinking about you, you end up seeing 1111 triple one or the number 11. That is also coming through. We have make the effort coming in. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. I'm finding the strength to come towards you. Oh, wow. Someone from your past is returning to your life, and we have passed. You have known each other before coming in as well. Wow. Yeah, this person is thinking about a reconciliation. They may not know how to approach you right now, maybe because of rejection or something, but they want fear of rejection, but they want you to remain open when they come back to you, or if they have returned, or just simply saying, don't shut me out right now because I can see things working out. There's a very deep connection that I have with you. I'm probably still trying to figure it out what this pull towards you is because it is beyond the attraction. I want to make the efforts to make this work again with you. I am ready to honor you is coming in, but I am also ready to help on your journey of healing, even if I hurt you intentionally or unintentionally. That was a time where I was rejecting my feelings, but I am getting inspired to come back to you. I hope you are ready. That is coming in, which is why maybe we had so much like the mountain coming in and samadhi coming through of meditation and all of that, telling you that right now the universe may be wanting you to become more emotionally stable so that and do the healing clearing which is required, let go of the insecurities, especially those which have been stemmed from the past, so that when the new opportunities start coming in, even if there's someone returning into your life, you are stable and you don't jump into conclusion or to give a reaction immediately, but you take your time to respond. The ball is on your court is the energy which is coming through. Someone who wants to make a move towards you, reconcile with you. For twin flames, this is a divine masculine energy. I am reading divine masculine energy. If there was certain kind of separation, they're looking back into the time where you guys have spent some really quality time together, and they're reminiscing and thinking very happily. It makes them smile. They are reminded of you through many signs is also coming in, something they see, feel, yes, but more than that, there are subtle reminders of you, probably even seeing someone like you. If you have curls, if there's certain kind of particular feature, they see it in the crowd and they're suddenly reminded of you. That is also coming in. But your DM has the motivation, inspiration to come back to you, re-enter your life, because they want to go all in, kind of a thing, which is coming through. Now the seriousness or the depth of what they have to offer will differ depending on how you both went into separation. But they are truly sorry and they do realize this is a very, very strong connection. Time and again, they keep on getting pulled towards you. And I'm not talking about someone yo yoing, coming in and out, hot and cold kind of a thing. May have been in the past, but this time around, they want to start from a steady ground, is also coming in. Let's look into what their higher self may be saying, or your higher self may be conveying to you. We have abundance which is coming in, believe in yourself, a lot of love, happiness which is coming in terms of their higher self. They can see a fulfilling life with you, a lot of inspiration which is coming in, success which is coming in, feeling very happy being with you, very content being with you. It's almost like they get inspired by you when you are with them, that kind of a thing. Cornucopia is also coming in, so don't worry, because irrespective of whatever is coming in your life, love where you are right now, because it is only going to thrive. You may have been in a survival mode, but now is the time that you will thrive. That is coming in, a lot of good news which is coming in, wealth of every kind which is coming through. As a reminder also, for some people, money may bring us happiness, but money itself is not the only source of happiness. That is also what is coming through. But new doors, windfalls which may be coming in, it's very interesting, like finances are also coming through. Wow, abundance is actually the first card, and number one also had a card which was number 11, so this is really interesting. One thing which this says, the last line which it says is, the universe and or creator will always provide you with what you need, not always what you want. Reconsider your values. This is asking you to have more patience and see and wait for the cycle of growth to be complete, is what is coming through. A channeled energy which came in is, a message which came in is, the vision you had for us, I can slowly see it happening, or I see it very profoundly. Don't give up on me. I hope you have patience, because I am overcoming the obstacles that may be there to access this abundance that I can see with you. That is what is coming through. Someone seeing you in like high regards, or truly understanding your value, finally. This is a very good energy which is coming in, but at the end of it, it is your decision. Even if this person may be re entering your life, but at the end of it, the decision, it's your call what you want to do with it. But know that you deserve, rather, it is your birthright to live an abundant life. Everything is received in divine time. I don't know why divine timing is becoming very predominant coming in. Value yourself, appreciate, appreciation for yourself also along with others is a very attractive factor in terms of romance also. Seeing you value yourself highly, they are inspired to step it up, is also coming in. But take your time and remain open, coming through very, very significantly. All right, so that was the reading. Do let me know your thoughts. Do comment below and share it with your loved ones. And please do hit the like. Thank you so much for your precious time. Subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for being part of the Moonian family. Until next time, love, light, miracles, positivity, abundance to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Monians. Hello, number 3. So let's see what's coming in for you. So we have the Muladhara coming in, which is the root chakra coming through in reverse. So it may be indicating a little bit of imbalance, which is there, reawakening, realignment, which will be very, very beneficial. But root chakra is like in our body, the root chakra is the base chakra, the first one, and it brings in a lot of security. So when it is reversed, blocked, there is this energy of insecurity, feeling the need to find validation, security outside and not within. Sometimes you can also feel a lot of pressure, undue pressure, feeling too anxious, pangs of anxiety which come in. And some people also experience lower back pains which is coming in. Anyways, if you do feel inspired to work upon your root chakra, there is a meditation that I did for the Halloween blue moon which occurred in the sign of Taurus. I'll link it up. But there is this thing which you have to do. You like an affirmation, reaffirming what you really say, in the sense like certain kind of powerful self-motivating affirmations which will be very, very beneficial. Like this, the root chakra has the energy of I am. So I am secure, I am strong, I am free, I am loved, I am love, I am wise. That kind of thing which is coming in. Believe in yourself, coming through very, very strongly. Let's just move forward. We have release your ex also coming in. The time has come to clear your energy coming through. So there is certain kind of decluttering which is very much required to bring in most foundation stability, security in your life. And there may be a thing of certain kind of past experience, past hurt which is still lingering on, and you need to become aware of it and consciously release that, because there is this new opportunities which will be coming in, but the universe itself is also waiting for you to clear certain things, aspects, situations which have become obsolete, which is coming in. Clear up your space is coming through time and again. Become aware of when what were you thinking last when you saw the 1111, 111, or even the number 11, if that's what's been repeating for you. That is also coming in a little over here. Certain kind of forgiveness is also coming in. Healing. We have the drum also coming through with number 15 coming in, 1 and 5, initiating certain kind of changes in your life. That is coming in, and the change starts from within. Move on, move forward. There are more things which are coming in. The drum also somewhere down the line reminds me of listen to your soul's beautiful song and dance along. It's almost like even your higher self knows, your intuition also knows that you are ready for the next chapter. That is what is coming through. What is stopping you from moving forward is something which may be reminded, or maybe you are emphasizing on negative thoughts, and that needs to change. Or approaching certain new situations in your life with preconceived notions, or comparing the present with the past a little too much, and it is stopping or blocking or limiting the scope of the potential of the present situation to the past situation. This may be a reminder of thinking what worked in the past and what did not, and utilize that in the present or the coming future is also coming through. But I feel that you are being heard very loud and clear. Self empowerment coming in quite a bit. Independence, which I can feel over here. Because right now, the vision which I'm having because of the drum is someone beating their own song, or that wild spirit within you regaining the strength, or finding that inspiration to get up once again. That is what is coming in. It's all up now, is what is coming through. We have Ace of Air also coming in, new communication which is coming through, new initiations which may be coming in, also new signs, new messages which will be coming in. Spirit is trying to talk to you through many things, like even through your subconscious or your dreams as well. So, journal them is coming in over here. Serendipity is also coming through with the unicorn. There's this thing, if you are thinking of releasing something in your life, the spirit is coming in and reassuring you that don't worry, rest and rejuvenate, don't worry, make the changes, do the actions which are required, do the decisions which are required, make the decisions which are required to release yourself, to go towards, navigate towards your full potential. And there's a lot of protection, guidance which is coming in. You will glide into your next phase, next chapter, new chapter which is coming in, but there's certain kind of closure which is required in order to move forward. Healing energy is coming in, and we have intuition also coming through. Listen to the whispers of your heart. Use divination tools to help you decide. Trust your intuition no matter what. For some people, it may be that like you become aware of certain kind of red flags. It's just a channel thing. I'm not saying you will, or you have been and you have been ignoring, no. But some people, special message which is coming in is that don't ignore the red flags. Your intuition, your inner voice, that gut feeling is guiding you towards your advantage, for something more fruitful to enter, especially if you haven't been feeling satisfied of late. Wow. Yeah, it's coming in again and again. Listen to your heart's beautiful song and dance along. Free spirit energy, which is coming in, wanting to change now, that is coming through. Initiation into releasing things for the good energy, for the good scenarios, positive opportunities to come your way, that is coming through. But there is certain kind of work which needs to be done, inner work which needs to be done, and building a stronger relationship with your intuition as well. Start talking to yourself is also coming in. You're getting downloads, and even your intuition is trying to talk to you. And it is not coming from a place of fear, but a place of love. In a way, the way this is, there's certain kind of inner child healing, which is also very essential. What is coming in is that know that you are safe, you are protected, and you have to come to a point of releasing. It's almost like an ending which is inevitable for the new beginning to come through. What that is what is coming in, and we are releasing certain things, past energies also of healing family issues, and with that, choosing a different path, a more positive, rewarding, enriching path towards a more meaningful life, by understanding who you really are, and then from there on, having a new conversation, articulating more clearly with a surety, while also listening to your intuition. There's this transformative energy which is coming in, and this, for some people out there, this is that dark night of the soul energy which may be coming in, but real awakening which may occur now. You have a guardian angel, is what I'm seeing over here. Your guardian angel is very much with you, overlooking things that you're doing, trying to guide you. Open up to receive the messages is coming in, or be more observant. It's time to free yourself, take back control of your life. The command of your life is also coming in, while of course being open to the surprises and the reciprocations that may come in, but realizing the kind of responses that you're giving, the choices you're making. And now is a turn where you are thinking more positively, more for your higher good, and of course, everyone involved as well. But moving into compassion is the energy which is coming through, and starting a new conversation, a new way of expressing yourself is what I'm seeing over here. And your higher self is really, really guiding you. When you release certain kind of past energies, life in itself will start supporting you, is also coming in. All right, let's just see what is coming in terms of what they are saying, and then we'll go into the higher self message or a message coming in from your higher self. But yeah, there's certain kind of associations that you need to let go of. The change is required. All right. So we have this could be the one coming in, and keep an open mind. It's almost like with you becoming more sure of you, who you are, more secure, more rooted in who you are. They start seeing you more profoundly. That is suddenly which came in. It's like that eureka moment, seeing you shine, the star energy, Aquarian energy, which is coming in. This could be the one says you've already met the romantic partner you seek. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations, so keep an open mind. I see over here that this is a turning point for them where it's really funny. I don't know why all of them are coming in very, very positively. So there are a few different scenarios where it may be there, but whoever this is, whoever came into your mind that you wanted to know what they are thinking of you quite significantly. Apart from that, they see the potential in you and they are ready to keep an open mind and are asking you to keep an open mind and see how this goes. Don't let your insecurities overshadow what we are building. I know I am not your usual type, but if I had to wish upon something, it would be to be with you. 10 of Cups energy, which is coming in. Let's pull out a few more cards. Thank you. We have Free Yourself coming in again. This came in for number 2, I think. It's time to take back control of your life. Again, the same energy which is coming through. Releasing, making space. And we have finances and career also coming through. Finances and career also coming in. Very interesting. In the past, the monetary, materialistic world had more preference or overpowered me, and I may be still focusing on my career quite a bit. But with you, I feel safe that I am slowly and steadily opening myself to love. You have awakened in me something very deep. Divine masculine energy is flowing in now, slowly and steadily, stepping out, freeing themselves from the 3D reality, looking into their emotions. What is their soul saying? One thing which is also getting channeled in for you is instead of expecting things from others, expect more from yourself for that sense of control. But let go of the need to be right or prove that you are right is also coming in. When the person is open to listen to your point of view, then have a conversation. Because if someone is closed off, no matter how concrete your point of view may be, your perspective may be, what you have to offer may be, they'll still remain closed minded and will deflect the reality. One more message which is coming in is that I see a potential future with you. I'm willing to keep an open mind, see how things go. I don't want any restrictions right now because I am focusing on my career. Because at the end of it, if I want to create something substantial with you also, I want to be able to provide for you. Yeah, with the root chakra coming in also, like heavy influence of finding financial security, like they have to prove something or establish or achieve certain things, certain goals, career goals. We have purification coming in. Wow, wow, this is so beautiful. This has never come in. Like, I'm using this deck after like third, fourth time, but wow. Dive deeper. There's so much wisdom within you. Understand your true capabilities. Understand what was meant to happen, did happen. And even if it was a challenge, it was an experience for you to learn from, for you to grow from. Purification coming in with a release energy, which is over here. What is making you uncomfortable? It is now time to acknowledge it and do the amendment, whatever is required, releasing it, amending things, forgiving yourself and others, apology, which is coming in. I'm sorry that I wasn't there for you before. For some people out there, I don't know, there's so many energies which are coming in. This is amazing. For some people out there, could be someone from your past coming in again, which could be making you confused, especially if you have two people, one a new love and a past love coming through. But in a way, I do see you realizing that it was karmic or toxic, the past one. In a way, I don't know, this is a channeled one again. Take what resonates. I feel a karmic cycle, a major karmic lesson which was learned and it has been nullified now. The karmic debt is over, is coming through very clearly over here. I have to read what this says. Right now, your body, mind, and spirit need to be purified. Clear unwanted energy by focusing on emotional balance. Now is the time to open your heart and soul to release any old trauma, pain, or emotional wounds, suffering, or regret that you are carrying in your spiritual backpack. Liberate your soul and mind from old beliefs and physical restraints. Clear stagnant energy even in your physical space. This also says listening to water, flowing water will be very, very nice. And flowing water is very, very good for sacral chakra as well. So, could be someone who may be feeling a little intimidated by emotions or intimacy, intimate, being closed off to intimidate, being closed off to intimate relationships as well. Something of the past which holds this person, maybe holds you back. And this is a call from the universe and your in like your higher self as well. Go back, heal and release and move forward. For some people, there could have been a repeated pattern which is being realized. So take your time and slowly come to a realization what it was, why it was there, why a certain thing had to happen, especially past relationship where you were hurt. Because this one message which is coming in, don't let fear overshadow what you have today, your today. That is coming in. If you have been comparing your growth with others, know that you comparing it to someone else's growth is limiting your scope to theirs, is also what is coming through. Let go of envy, jealousy, because envy, jealousy, and this low vibrational energy rooted in fear is held in the same place where there is love, the highest frequency of all, at the heart center. Some major healing which is coming in. Archangel Michael and also Raphael, their energy, guidance, presence, their legion of angels are coming through with a lot of care. I can see that. A turning point in your soul journey is what I'm seeing over here. Ground yourself, connect with earth, hug a tree, let go of the negative energies, let nature heal you, is also what is coming through. So, that is what is coming in. Do let me know if this resonated with you. And thank you so much for your precious time. Do comment below, share your thoughts, share it with your loved ones, and please do subscribe and hit the like. Okay. Until next time, a lot of abundance, clarity, empowerment, enlightenment, ascension, love, and abundance to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely moonians. Hello, number four. So let's see what's coming in for you guys. So first card is Shiva coming in. Lord Shiva talking about transcendence, transformation, which is coming in. Something which is happening suddenly. What comes in with this is don't resist change, embrace it, tap into your resourcefulness, go with the flow kind of a thing is coming in, but trust me a little is coming through from the universe, from the spiritual realm. Trust us, trust what is going on. This is only happening for your growth, being reborn, embracing your vulnerable side as well, balancing the divine masculine, divine feminine energy within you. But whatever it is that you're going right now, it is only going to make you stronger. That is what is coming through. There were certain things or are certain things which need to come to an end, and the universe is orchestrating certain things. So sudden exits, sudden entries could also be coming in. The ground is being cleared for a stronger foundation to come through. That is also what is coming in. If you have been thinking of making certain changes, know that they will have a very positive effect on your life, is what is coming through. All right, so next card coming in is retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world coming through, focusing on yourself, hermit energy, which is coming in, metamorphosis, which is happening, but pulling back a little, looking at a situation too closely right now that you're not being able to see the purpose of this scenario which you are experiencing right now, facing right now. Something is paving way for a stronger you. We have the coyote also coming in, number 12 coming through, and there's an inspiration to some kind of a metamorphosis which is happening. If there was a situation which caused you pain, this is telling you that you are not limited, your scope is limitless. Believe in yourself, a little bit of discernment, which is very important, especially if you are in a phase of starting something new, but believing in yourself is coming in quite strongly. This transformation is only for your higher good coming through, even if it was an exit which is occurring or will be occurring or did occur. Let's just go forward. We have seven of water also coming in. Quite interesting there. Ready to move forward. Understanding the soul lessons. This card is also kind of calling out for you to look into your future, in the sense like, um, how would you feel in your full potential? Envision that and hold that thought, playing with your imagination, playing with the abundant possibilities which are out there, and staying open and flexible also is coming in. Reinvention is what is coming through. And the other card is gentleness coming in. Be kind to yourself and others. Honor your gentleness. Speak words of love coming through. A new way of communication. Reinvention. Being reborn. Finding the inner strength to speak up, to draw the line, to move on. Some kind of a experience which was very much required to for you to remind how precious you really are. That is also coming in case you were thinking, why did that happen? And also with the gentleness coming in, if you do end up seeing 1111 or whatever sequence of one, this may be saying, is there a better way of expressing myself? Can I express myself more gracefully, more respectfully, treat and support others with the kind of respect and love that I would expect from others? Not overly trying to control everything, every aspect of your life, that is also coming in because of the flexibility that may be there, the gentleness which may be there. Not getting intimidated by the uncertainties of the future, but continuing in the journey of transformation that you may be there. This experience is only going to make you stronger, is coming through or occurred because a stage of ascension, a stage of awakening was very much required. Be gentle on yourself, support your dreams. Tower moment energy is coming in. So anything that was built on shaky grounds will be leveling up for a stronger foundation to come through. Take your time, you don't have to rush it. With the retreat and the 2 and 1, which are written in the 12, when reversed, the 2 comes first before the 1. This is saying, yes, there are certain things which are happening, certain kind of suddenness which is occurring. Take the time off, reconnect with yourself, envision your highest potential is coming through. There is a transcendence which is happening and elevation as well, bringing you closer to your intuition, making it more accurate, helping you heal, nurture yourself as well, which will lead to self or personal power. For some people out there, it could be like rejection is spirit's protection. It's in your best interest to let go and allow for something better to take its place, is what is coming through, because it is your highest good to see the truth regardless of any kind of temporary discomfort. This too shall pass kind of energy is coming in. Personal transformation realization, which is coming through quite a bit. And the universe, the divine, really wants you to know about that yes, this is being orchestrated for your highest good and for those involved. Be more kind when you are expressing your desires to others, to yourself as well, and to the universe. There's this one thing coming in, don't beat yourself up due to certain things which have occurred in the past. It's fine, it happened. We learn from our mistakes, from mistakes of others, intentional or unintentional. But now is the time that you learn from it and thrive. This may be saying like just take a step back and see, is there a change which is required in the current situation? Anyone which is causing a little bit of discomfort at the moment. Certain things for your highest good and for those involved as well is very much required for the relationship also to progress healthily. Yeah, don't resist change. Embrace it, is what is coming in. Don't get anxious about the uncertainties. There are many rewards which will be coming in. You'll see why. In in retrospect, is what is coming through. But use kinder words and avoid using this always happens to me or thinking about the lack or resisting change, being fearful of the future, of the uncertainty. I don't know. The words keep on going on. Reinvention, reincarnation, a journey coming to an end wherein a karmic lesson is unfolded or realized, and you embrace your true self. A certain journey which is coming to an end only for a new one to begin. That is what is coming through. All right, so let's see what are they thinking. We have free yourself coming in. This is the third time it has come through. It's time to take back control of your life. We have very soon clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. And we have let go of control issues. Allow the situation to unfold naturally coming in. I am letting go of the fear of the outcome of this relationship that I have with you, this connection that I have with you. I understand how my past hot and cold behavior led to so many insecurities or so many uncertainties or this um, concern, anxiety that I caused you. I understand that, and I do acknowledge, or I am in the process of realizing that I too had my walls up because I was scared that someone will hurt me the way that I was hurt in the past, which is why I have been a little dominating or controlling because I did not want to get hurt once again. That's why I have been so indecisive, but I'm trying to make a very just decision. You deserve justice. My expectations from you limited the scope of this relationship, the potential romantic relationship. And this need for control comes from a place of fear or abandonment, which I have faced before. And I'm sorry for keeping things hostile or restricted because, in a way, inevitably, I had a mold created for you. And I understand that it wasn't right, it wasn't fair. It may have put in a lot of pressure on you. It was only because I was scared. Judgment energy, which is coming in over here, taking a decision in your favor. I just want to pull out another card. What do we need to know for number 4? Thank you. All right, another 3 cards. We have past life relationship coming in. You have known each other before. We have soulmate coming in. Wow. And we have love yourself first coming through. Whoa. All right. Yes, this is your soulmate. Your self respect makes you more romantically attractive. They are undergoing this process of reinstilling more love where there was a lot of fear, because love and fear reside in the same place, the heart chakra. Yeah, even for this person over here, I feel like they do realize that there's a major transformation in the way they have been handling relationships. They're becoming aware of it, and in order for things to work with you, they know they have to change this constant need of proving themselves right or having more control over the other person's actions. They may have to let go of certain kind of vicious cycles, karmic relations, because they are slowly understanding the depth of this connection, divine masculine, which is coming in. It's almost like in the past, divine masculine, especially if you are separated, in the past, they took you for granted and tried to dictate how things go, my way or the highway kind of a thing. But in the time of the separation, they are now slowly and steadily realizing what this connection really is. It could also be a divine masculine, divine feminine. We all have both the energies, yin and yang, so they are very gender fluid. If the divine masculine was initially emotionally unavailable, that's why maybe the connection that they felt with you intimidated them. They really couldn't understand why they were falling so deeply for you or so fast. There was certain kind of deception of self-worth that with whatever has happened in the past with this person over here, they felt that they're not really made for long-term relationships. But now they are understanding that love starts from within, and that is changing things for them. Because this row is seeming more like subconscious or the more conscious 3D reality, trying to be very rational but impulsively doing things, more like wounded divine masculine, because they may be running away from past hurt or a trauma which was so significant that it started defining their life. I feel with the chance encounter, because we have Shiva also coming in, very strong twin flame energy which is coming through. It it reignites the fire. Meeting you again, they are starting to realize, they are seeing you in a different light, and slowly realizing you are their divine counterpart because of Shiva coming through. The more you advance in your soul journey, your awakening, ascension, with your ascension, your love life will also be ascending, is the energy which is coming through. But a very, like, it's almost like you will be surprised by their take this time, that is also coming in. So changes are coming through, unexpected changes are coming in, some very good for you. Change again at the bottom, and we have energy balance which is coming through. Wow. Compassion, personal power coming in, lightning coming in, Isis telling you that you are ready, divine consciousness, medicine, connect with the source. All right, let's see what the higher self is saying, or your higher self, your own higher self is trying to convey to you. We have retreat again coming in. This is the second time retreat coming through. Look at the bigger picture. Take a break, take a breather. Don't stress about it. Things will unravel naturally. Is also coming. Let the universe surprise you. We have intuition also coming in. Follow your intuition. Third eye chakra, awakening. Understand there is a difference between your intuition and fearful thinking, because your intuition guides you, voices, speaks to you, coming from a place of love, care, and your higher good. The fearful thoughts come in, of course, from doubts, the ego self trying to go into self preservation. Yeah, it's very clearly like, retreat a little to listen to your inner voice, trust your intuition. It's almost like with gentleness which came in, it's almost like clenching onto something too tightly that it's not getting the time to breathe. And all the spirit is asking you, your higher self is asking you, is to release it a little, for it to flow naturally, for you to relax, not be impatient. Don't be too fixated on the final outcome. Embrace the journey as well, because even in the journey, you keep on growing. And when you keep on growing, the final outcome, the fruition, the rewards will be grander than the anticipation is also coming through. Stop and smell the roses is also coming in. See, even if you can't see it right now, but something very beautiful is developing for you. Embrace the change, it's only for your higher good, coming in again and again. Spend more time in nature, reflect, release the guilt. It's almost like their higher self is saying, like, in silence, I found many answers, and being away from you, my 3D self is also realizing your importance. Your absence made me appreciate your presence. All right, I found this very interesting. Retreat is number 27, and when you look at intuition, it is number 17. A lot of spiritual growth, which is happening, spiritual journey, free will, which is very much important. Look beyond the surface, listen carefully to your inner voice coming in. Clear your vision, balance and clear your energies is also coming in on a regular basis. Your third eye is opening, is what is coming through. Pay attention to visions, thoughts, and impressions of those around you. Strengthening your third eye will help you look deeper into a situation. By learning to trust your gut instinct, you tune into your body's senses. Acknowledge your gifts that were given at birth. You can access these at any time through meditation and a developed practice. And just in case if something doesn't feel right, don't do it. Take some time off. Think about it again and see how do you feel about it. Don't take actions out of fear is what is coming through, and don't fear the unknown, the uncertainties. Keep an open mind. You will be surprised, is the energy which is coming through. I think this has been the longest one, but thank you so much for your precious time. That is all that I'll be saying. But do let me know if this resonated with you. Please do comment below, share your thoughts, and share it with your loved ones. And please do hit the like. Thank you so much for your precious time and for being part of the Moonian family. If you aren't already, then please do subscribe. Until next time, love, light, transformations, transcendence, metamorphosis, rebirth, reinvention, elevation, and ascension to you all. Open your mind and dance along with the universal song. Alright? Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Moonian.